Hi guys, Jessica Kabesi here. In today's video, we're taking pictures of strangers, but this time we're doing it in Tokyo, Japan. So we're going to be taking pictures of strangers in the Harajuku area of Japan, and it's kind of a little fashion area. There's a lot of
really cool, interesting fashion and vibes.
So I have my friend Kayleigh here. She's also a photographer. How do you feel about approaching strangers?
I'm nervous, but I think it's going to be pretty fun.
I am so nervous. Oh my god.
I mean, we're in this together. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine.
If we get rejected, we'll get rejected together.
Yeah, exactly.
Or separate if you're not with me. So the strategy for this is we have some Japanese sentences translated that we're gonna go and just gonna go up to random people and just tell them. You know what I was thinking about? Let's say I recite the phrase in Japanese properly.
Yeah.
What happens when they reply? Like, I'm not gonna know what they say.
You just be like, just
like,
smile. Smile and nod.
It's fine. I don't want to do this. I do want to do it, but okay. Instead of just being awkward in English, I'm about to be awkward in Japanese too, so we'll see how it goes. We should just probably go.
I think let's go. Let's do it.
So we're not in my room anymore.
We're not.
We're outside. My favorite place ever, where there's other people.
Remember guys, we're trying.
Don't be too harsh, you guys. We ain't from here. It's Tom Cruise. Does he count? Can we take a photo of him?
You know, I don't think it does.
Tom Cruise. Excuse me, do you want to be photographed? Would you mind? Is that okay? Beautiful, best one. I'm done. I think I'm finished. Yeah, I'm finished. Look, he's riding a bike. I need one of those. What was it? I forgot the Japanese. What was it? Sumimasen. Shashin. Totimo ii desu ka? Watashi wa shashinka desu. Can I take your picture? Okay, it's fine. It's good. It's fine. It's happened. I just forgot everything that I was gonna say. The Japanese came out like one word per minute. I'm just leaving. I'm going back home. Okay? Did I say it right? Did I say that first thing right? So far, I got one lady, which is her. She didn't really say much. You were there for me. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, this girl looks cool. Okay, let me ask her. I can't do this.
I'm gonna slap you.
Damn it. See, I'm gonna do it. I feel like a stalker. Sumimasen. Watashi wa shashinka desu.
Either.
Okay. It's right here. Is it right there? Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, I'm done. Sumimasen. Watashi wa shashinka desu. Can I take your picture? Can you take your picture? Good. And turn this way. Arigatou gozaimasu. Good. Wow. I think I psyched myself out way too much. It's going pretty well. It's less stressful than I thought, but I think after the first rejection, I just got a little freaked out. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Watashi wa shashinka desu. Can I take?
Sorry, I don't speak Japanese.
Oh, can I take your picture?
Sure.
Okay. Easy enough. Okay. Oh my god, I love this. Where are you from?
China.
Oh, very nice to meet you. Okay. Can you take a picture of me? Maybe to the side a little? Yeah, right there. Great, good job. 3. Let's knock these out. Let's get.
Oh, go.
4?
Yeah,
You got 4.
You mean the mannequin?
No.
Oh, the mannequin.
No, you go forward.
4 without the mannequin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without
The
Sally?
Aussie girl.
So there's people over there that are doing a photo shoot. I was gonna go ask that girl in the back that's already doing a photo shoot. I'm gonna be like, do you want to be in my video too? Like, since we're already here, you're already here taking pictures. Why not? Knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. Even though I would never do that to a bird, because I think that's mean. We're just waiting. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna find somebody. Isn't that what people say when they're trying to get married? Like, I'm gonna find somebody?
Yes.
Oh my God, what have I become? Sumimasen, watashi wa shashinka desu. Can I take your picture?
君のことを写真撮ってもいいですか？撮ってもらってもいいですよ。
Yeah, do you want a picture? Okay, right here in front of the sign. Kawaii, right? That's the only thing I know in Japanese, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Cute, very cute. I wish I knew what you guys were saying. I don't know. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Can I get... This is kind of fun. We're gonna try to get at least 1 more guy, but the problem is I don't know how to talk to people from the opposite gender. So it's fine though, it's cool. We're out here socializing. I'm gonna do something that I don't wanna do. Sumimasen, watashi wa shashinka desu. Can I take your picture?
撮ってもいいからな。
No? Okay, no problem, thank you.
2 from like 8.
It's okay,
That's fine.
it's fine. I've been rejected by them in my past. But not younger people like that.
It's gonna be fine.
It's fine. I'm not gonna cry tonight. It's raining, you guys. This is not tears. Do I need to get a guy? I feel like I got enough people.
You'll find a guy.
You'll find a guy. Thank
Find
you.
a guy.
Thanks so much.
Gotta find the right people. すみません。私は写真家です。Photo? Camera? You?
大丈夫です。
Yeah? ありがとう。ちゃんとですね。
Good job.
So cute.
Good job.
すみません。私は写真家です。
写真を撮ってもいい？
Oh, yeah, yeah. Just over here. And look at each other. Look at you. And then look. Yeah.
I just want to say that I spoke Japanese and someone understood me.
Yeah.
That was Japanese.
Yeah, you did.
写真を撮ってもいい？
Yeah. Oh, excellent.
I'm getting too good at this.
Maybe this way? Oh my God, he is like straight up freaking model, man.
This is so good, Kayleigh.
He's 100% like been doing this all day.
写真を撮ってもいい？
Yeah?
I'm taking his friend's picture.
Okay. He's so cool.
Guess who's fluent in Japanese now? He said that was good. Japanese. And then I told him I was just reading off of my notepad. Man, I'm getting good at Japanese. This is fun.
This is so much fun. Seriously, I don't want to stop doing this.
We could probably take a couple more.
すみません。私は写真家です。Camera? No!
It's fine. Have a good day.
All right, I got my first rejection.
Love you.
It was bound to happen.
It's good, but it was graceful. I like the way he handled it. He didn't-
Yeah, he was like, I don't know what you're saying.
He's like, oh, I don't want to be here, and just walk away. That's usually how I handle situations. So I totally understand where he's coming from.
We really just need to find one more person.
Yeah, we're doing good though. I'm proud of us.
Yeah? Okay, just over here. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Arigatou gozaimasu.
That girl has really nice ice cream. Okay,
She does.
right now, everything is going pretty well.
It is going really well.
How do you feel with the last couple photo shoots?
I'm happy. I'm really happy. Like, we haven't had too many rejections, and that's been nice. That's been really nice.
There hasn't been enough rejections, to be honest.
Yeah, I
Like,
know.
it's
I feel like
almost-
this is too easy.
It's right. So like something bad's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I don't know. When things are going too well, you start to wonder.
Something's up.
Kayleigh says she feels like a potato. I feel like a trash bag compared to everybody here.
A trash bag?
That's kind of like my spirit item. Not animal, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I was having 15 panic attacks. I don't know why, because everyone here is super nice.
Oh no, this
honestly.
is fun now. This is so much fun. I'm actually really enjoying this.
But you know what is giving me more confidence? The fact that people are understanding the Japanese that I'm saying, which is
yeah,
good.
it's good. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't think that was gonna happen at first.
Anyways, we're gonna get a couple more people, and we're gonna wrap this video up. So
Good times.
Let's go.
すみません。私は出身家です。
写真の撮ってもいい?
Yeah. Hi.
I don't know any more than that. I'm sorry.
Photo? Yeah. Hi.
One, two underscores. Okay, three. You got me there.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.
Yeah, I think we should. Yeah.
私は写真家です。写真を撮ってもいい? Okay, yeah, okay, good. Okay, can I have you guys right here? Yes. Stay right there. Okay, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, you did it.
I talked to so many people. Oh my god, in Japanese.
Die. Oh, the stress is gone.
Honestly, I feel like I can sleep now.
Yeah.
Minus the jet lag. Okay, so that about wraps up the video of taking pictures of strangers in Japan. How was it?
It was actually so much fun. I really could have kept doing that all day. It was a lot of fun.
So I was rejected a couple times. You were also rejected. How did that feel?
I mean, you can understand, I guess. I mean,
Yeah.
if I was in that position, I probably wouldn't want a photo taken of myself. But I think most people were very polite.
I got rejected by a group of kids, okay?
You tried.
Youngsters, okay?
Yeah.
They're gonna go talk about me later during dinner. Like, they're gonna talk about me to their family probably.
So let us know what your favorite photo is from today, and let us know what your favorite moment was as well. We'd love to hear it.
Yeah, definitely. I'm curious to see. There were a lot of little moments today.
There was a few.
Let us know what you'd like to see for the next video, and we'll see you guys later. Sayonara.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're good. Kawaii. Take care. Thank you, arigato. We'll see you later.